Did you ever want to get insights on your teams and what your team members are up to? With this new improvement in the Teams client, you can head over to Manage Your Team and access the Analytics tab to find information on the amount of users, messages, even apps in your team, as well as the proportions of active and inactive users, even user roles, and visualizations on how your activities have progressed over time. You can see how the active users are changing over time, as well as the amount of messages that are being sent. This is great information, but leaves a lot of questions open. Like, what if I wanted to actually see who those inactive users are? What if I wanted to break down this activity data into the different channels in my team? What if I wanted to go beyond the date range of 28 days, which is the top amount of data available in Office 365? We're very proud to present our Office Expert solution, which is one of the first 200 integrated Teams applications, where as a Teams owner, you have a treasure trove of information available about your own teams. Not only can you search for teams in a much better and efficient way than usual, you can head over to My Teams Insights and see a wealth of information about your own teams. Not only do we show you the amount of owners, members, mentions, likes, images, and all of that information, including your SharePoint quota percentage, but you can actually select any of your teams and get more insights into the activity that is being done within those teams. On the dashboard, you can see the amount of users you have in that particular team, whether they're internal or external, and you can dive into the actual activities by department, by location, or even by country, up to an entire year or even more. And you can contrast this information with the active users by location, for example, as well as head into the activity details where we're displaying how activities have progressed over time, but we're actually drilling down into the details on the departments, even channels, so you can see which channels might be going silent, which are the up and coming channels. How do locations work? Which are the more active locations? How has that progressed over time? You actually have similarity scores here as well, where you could quickly find teams that are similar in structure, as well as we actually measure email traffic and contrast that with your team's activity data, where the assumption is that with teams activities picking up, internal email volume by those teams members should be going down. Is that really the case? One way to find out. Now you also have a pretty cool map of your team members distributed across the world map so that you can visualize where those guys are located and how much are they collaborating with each other. If you want to find out more, you can give this a try by going to our sandbox at panagenda.com/OfficeExpertSandbox. Sign up for it in 30 seconds and get access to our entire Office Expert solution, including Teams Analytics and Performance Analytics. It really takes half a minute. You do not have to install anything. Check it out and give us a shout if this is interesting.